Hello students, today we are going to learn about a very heart-touching poem, My Mother at 66, written by one of the first poets, Kamala Das. The poet was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of the India's first poets. Her works are known for their originality and versatility. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex delicacy of human relationships in lyrical idiom. My Mother at 66 is an example of it. Before we go through the poem, let's discuss the central idea of the poem, that is aging, which is a natural process, as well as the elderly parents, which are in their old age, what they expect from us. There is no denying that aging is a natural process and no one can control this process. Our elderly parents expect love and care from us in their old age. They want their children to live with them, want to spend their last days with their children. It is a short poem without a full stop. The poem is like a long sentence. So go through the poem line by line. The poet introduces by saying that she was going to the Cochin airport. She was probably in a taxi. After visiting her parents, she was going back to her home. She was accompanied by her old mother to the airport. It happened on last Friday morning. The use of phrase last Friday morning is not just to show a day but also to show that it is past now. The poet probably tries to compare her mother with last Friday morning as both had their springtime. That is, mother was once young and the day had its morning. But now the day has gone and poetess mother has become very old. Thus, in the very first lines, the central theme of aging, being a natural process, is being revealed. While her way on the airport, the poet saw her mother who was sitting beside her in the car. She describes her mother as very old. According to the poet, her mother seemed to be in a light sleep with her wide mouth open. She looked almost like a corpse. Her face was colorless and seemed to have lost the charm of life. Seeing her mother's miserable condition, the poet was in a great pain. She realized that her mother was very old and she would die very soon. Here, one can sense the love of a daughter for her mother and fear of losing her. The thought of losing her mother was so painful that the poet did not wanted to accept the reality. So to divert her mind, she looked outside the car and saw young trees sprinting and merry children spilling out of their homes. Images of trees and children show the growth and energy in one's life. Hence, the poet, in a way, finds relief at young age and tries to escape there. These images are in contrast to the view that the poetess has seen inside the car, where her mother is inactive and lost the fire of life and is nearing her death. The poet has reached the airport and was waiting to board the plane after the security check. Standing at a distance from her old mother, she looked again at her mother. This time, she again seemed to be very old and hence looked pale and colorless. So she compares her mother with late winter's moon, whose glow is dimmed by mist and fog, making it appears colorless, dull and lifeless. Similarly, poet's mother's face lacks energy and she appears to be lifeless and nearing to her death. Once again, seeing her mother's miserable condition, the poet is reminded of the childhood fear of losing her mother. She suffers the same pain now as she has suffered in her childhood. In these final lines of the poem, the poet, who is unable to bear the pain of losing her mother, bids farewell to her mother by saying, "See you soon, Amma," and ultimately put a fake smile on her face to hide her guilt, anxiety, and fear of losing her mother. She does so to hide her true feelings, as she does not want to create a painful environment for her mother and wanted to provide her mother new hope and aspiration so that she could live long. These lines are ironic. Though the poet says, "See you soon, Amma," she knows that she won't be able to see her again. Again, she smiles, though she is sad and is upset. Hence, these lines depict the irony of life. Thus, the poem begins with mourning over the old age, where the poetess is afraid of losing her mother, and the poem ends with the same, where the poetess is trying to hide her true feelings and wants her mother to live long, and by smiling, she is trying to provide new hope and aspiration to her mother. Aging is the central theme of the poem, especially that of advancing age and the fear that follows to its loss and separation. It is a sentimental account of the mother's approaching end through the eyes of a daughter. This poem is a very short poem that touches upon the theme of the filial, familiar bond between the mother and a daughter. On the basis of your learning from the poem, answer these questions along with the summary and the theme in your fair copy.